provide the informations of the actual happening of the process. Now, if we look at the basically in the healthcare, because you are this topic you have suggested about the human health and medical sciences, though this is raw thoughts that may not be well explored, the people are doing it. We say the stem cells, right, which has been generated once the child is, taking the birth, and umbilical cords they reside is, and then afterwards these can be stored in a bone marrow. Okay, now this has the, the capabilities to transform, you know in a certain cells, like say for example, if they move to the heart, then they will express, create the differentiate as a heart cell over a time, and then they can take care of the maintenance of the heart. uh, Similarly, if they are traveling towards the lungs and the other biosystems of the organ of the body, then these can be, differentiated based on the requirement. So my point is, say for example, if we can, you know, couple them, and using the, like, what I was trying to, discuss this with some of my peers in this biotechnology field and the healthcare, that if these information, these cells can be, uh, uh, used as a block, and using the blockchain technologies, right? If we can get the images of how they are differentiating, starting from the stem cells, which is, the undifferentiated cell, and if this cells is transforming, say for example, it is creating the cells of the heart. So these cells is different than the, the, the natural stem cells. And if we can focus one by one to these cells, then how they are differentiating, and using as once a small variation is occurring, whether it is chemical, biological, or maybe pure electrical, or others, like the generation of the ATP. Basically, we are, well versed with the, the biological process and the release of the energy systems. So if we can, make a certain technologies which can enable to identify the small changes in the biological systems, stem cells, and recognize as another block other than the block one, which has been started in the terms of stem cells. Then, and it can be, if it can be self-propagating, means that the cells, the block has been created, and another block is created, and the third reaction is going on, so the another block is there. And if we can map together, so definitely we will, mimic the the human, the bodies. And if this can be succeeded, if we can succeed it through computational, the biology techniques, then it would be really great things, which can, basically, people have worked on the gene therapy systems, and they have started, experimenting of this. But the only problem was this, that the instability and the mutations was the bigger problem in this, that they can be, the gene can be changed, and that's why the results was not you know as so prominent and with a certainty, then the people can be utilized for this particular purpose. But the potential is exist, and definitely if we can focus on stem cells and use these kind of the technologies, computation techniques, then the things would be the scenario would be good enough. So at the the end of this, I just conclude my uh, uh, you know the lectures, or what you can say, the thoughts what we want to provoke among the young generation, which young scientists which can be taken up this particular job. uh, it would be like the we have the lot of nano technology has been which is consist of both surface activities and the bulk activities, and nano biotechnologies, the people are also working on the nano biotechnological aspects. And if we can utilize, combine really these research and the new technologies like which is coming of internet of things, that can definitely uh, you know help in providing the good solution for the human being, especially in the healthcare, agriculture, food, and other things. And actually, if we can invest more of in development of infrastructure for creating the research base uh, for which may be conducive for the biologist, and then the multidisciplinary team in which the biologist, healthcare people, doctors, and the computational, uh, the, the scientists, if get together and can work together to get the solution, I hope that in near future these technologies which are uh, in the future, what we can say the time, it will definitely change our entire uh, the working of the societies or the research laboratories. So thank you very much for uh, you know giving me an opportunity to interact with you for this important topic. Thank you very much. If you
Thank
have
you,
any
sir.
question, can I can try to uh, respond it.
Thank you very much, sir, for a wonderful, informative talk. Now I request all the participants, you can ask the any questions if you are having in your mind to clear with the Honorable VC, sir. Pankaj,
I think there are no queries, sir. Thank you
Okay.
so much, sir, for illuminating us and giving such a good start to our program. Thank you so much, sir, for sparing your valuable time and just coming on such a short request and joining us. It was a pleasure to have you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I request all the participants after having a half an hour break, please join the Atal Academy centralized inaugural ceremony.
Yes, sir. I'm announcing it as per the instructions received from AICT. I request all the participants to join the inaugural ceremony of 39 ATAL FDPs at 11 p.m. Link is being shared in the comment box. You all are requested to join the next session at 11:45 a.m. Thank you so much. Thank you once again, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you. May I leave?
Thank you, sir.
May
Thank
I
you.
leave, Dr.
Thank
Jiten?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.